Everybody, I hope you're doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of FashionNova. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about FashionNova app and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will go here to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of FashionNova. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to press by like and subscribe. See you next time.